is not over. Terra Classic is not over. Binance founder CZ believed that Terra Classic is not over, that the Terra Classic will still rise and Terra Classic still remain a good coin. In fact, he said if Terra Classic is still ranked among the top 100 crypto coins, it means a lot of people still believe on the coin. Because if people don't believe on a particular coin, what happens is that people will definitely pull out their investment. So we have over 18,000, almost 20,000, over 20,000. What am I saying? Over 20,000 crypto coins right now globally, and yet Terra Classic is in number 75 crypto coins with the highest market cap. So you don't do interview and you said, is it over for a coin like that? Because Terra Classic still remain among the top 175 crypto coins with the highest market cap, which means people believe that this coin can still rise. Every coins have a particular period where they might be facing one or two challenges. Of course, BTC currently is facing a lot of challenges. So Terra Classic is facing a lot of challenges. It doesn't mean it is over for Terra Classic. And right now, in fact, I will give a kudos to Terra Classic because in terms of burning, they have been burning more coins than before. Okay, the burning have really increased, and of course, the staking too have also increased. And then secondly, Terra Classic is still ranked out higher coins, one of the highest coins with the highest market cap. So I'm happy to see that Terra Classic still remain among the top coins. Now, whenever we mention top coin, top coin does not mean the top 5 or top 10 coins. Top coins to me are coins, I would say the top 100 crypto coins. Suppose they believe any coin that is ranked among the top 200 coins is also doing well. So, but basically, let's say the top 100 crypto coins. Of course, it's not easy to be ranked among the top 100, and not to talk of being among the top 70 or top 75. It means that coin is doing well. So, Binance founder CZ, it is not over, and I also believe it is not over. Except I see Terra Classic dropped out of the top 100. Keep dropping, the market cap keep dropping, drop to the extent we will be looking at Terra Classic market cap trading at $20 million. Definitely, you know that it will drop until the coin will definitely drop out. People will just pull out. But rather, you are talking about a coin with over $500 million market cap. Wow! So I don't think Terra Classic is over. I also support and I believe on CZ. He have been supporting and he still believe on this coin. Same way I also so much believe on Terra Classic. If not, that is why I've been doing videos about Terra Classic. Of course, well, I've stopped doing videos about Terra Classic, and I'm still doing videos about Terra Classic means I really support Terra Classic coin. Another thing I want to talk about that, please, very soon, kindly support our channel because we'll be coming up with different ideas on how to make money online from home. Okay, you get paid directly to your bank account, you get paid with your checking account, you get paid, you can even cash out your money with your ATM, local ATM. So stick to this channel because we're bringing in a lot of vibes, a lot of ways you can make good money online, legal money online. Okay, please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next video. Once again, thank you for stopping by. I still remain your humble boy, Ikechukwu calling news.